how to make alabaster stone. I am Mohammed. We have here many stone, very famous alabaster stone. Alabaster stone is 3 colors, no more: brown, white, and green alabaster. So alabaster stone, where you find behind the Valley of the King, about 25 kilometers by here. Make the Shahi tree statue, candle holder. So after they make a hole inside, you can try. Come. What's your name? Faris. Yalla ya Faris. Yalla ya Faris.
Very strong.
Thank you. So, after they make a hole inside, polish it by fire. After polish, sand it also sandpaper, soft, medium, hard. Now, you still remember how many kilos? Yeah. 350 grams.
Wow, very light.
Yes.
Because the inside has come out of it?
Yes, it's powder inside. How many days make it? 4 days. And this machine is heavy. Because it's market, not alabaster.
I feel that it's really light.
Oh yeah. Yeah, yes. Most of the...
First, you can guess. Yeah. Very light.
Oh yeah. It's very light.
I think about 500 grams.
So we have here also basalt stone, the royal
This is like
basalt
2.
stone. Basalt stone, volcanic stone, much strong, doesn't break. This piece is cat for happiness. And this basalt stone. And this piece is the fake. You see? In Hatshepsut temple and the market between the salesman and outside, like $10, $5, $1 because not the real. Because you see? The fake gifts. Not the original. This is original. Picasso, very famous artist here because they make the limestone. Limestone exactly in the tomb's picture by the king. I will give you a quick idea, then we will decide. First here, pen picture. After pen picture, the chisel. After chisel, now the carved. After carved, painted, like this painted. We have also here basalt stone, key of life or vase. Similar like this, the basalt stone, the royal basalt. You see, it's by hammers. After the chisel, by hammers. And all here the artists make all the statue handmade and the royal stone. I don't have anything machine. Okay, thank you for listening. Follow me inside.
Thank you, brother. And then we go in the shop. It's a beautiful shop inside. Thank you.
Excuse me. Follow me, please. So first we have here Egyptian hospitality welcome drink. We have lemon juice with mint, hibiscus cold, tea with mint, coffee, Coca-Cola, Sprite. What do you like first?
No, it's fine.
It's hospitality without business.
Honestly, we have drinks in the
Yeah.
We have lots of drinks in the
You can try hibiscus.
hibiscus.
Yes. I want hibiscus. Yeah. Hibiscus or lemon?
Just try lemon.
Lemon?
Yeah.
Is it lemon with
2
mint?
lemon.
No, lemon cold with mint.
2 lemon and 2 hibiscus.
So with sugar without?
With sugar.
So, excuse me, we have the small size or bigger size. This final judgment is the same in the tombs Ramses II. I, the horse for the protection. And we have the small size or bigger size, the tree life, the mask Tutankhamun, limestone. We have here also, you can see, this alabaster stone picture, you see? If you have window, beautiful like the window. And very light, not heavy. Okay, follow me next the table. Closer. We have here beetle. You know the beetle? That's kind of beetle for good luck. We can carve the name any language. If you need name any language, hieroglyphic, English, Arabic, it's no problem. And this candle holder, tea light, alabaster stone candle.
That is
and
nice.
we can carve it name here also, hieroglyphic, English, Arabic. Basalt stone, the royal basalt. All the statue here, small size or bigger size. Closer please.
I don't want. Honestly, what are we gonna do with this?
Yeah, this onyx stone.
Yeah, Pakistan में भी सारा. ये सब पाकिस्तान.
Here, alabaster stone white. And last the section. You still remember how many colors alabaster outside?
3.
Look, white color. Put it in the lamp, candle, no problem. Second, brown, like sunset. You see, brown.
Nice.
Color. Last one, the green alabaster stone. You can see, that's very light. And we have here candle holder, tea lights. Anyone in birthday tomorrow, today, next week, last week? Anyone? No? Okay, you. Yalla.
Blow.
1.
It's not gonna blow.
3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
So this candle holder for tea light, alabaster stone also. So here no push, no hustle, no stress, no hard feeling. If you buy in something, look around. After look around, you can ask me the prices and keep it here in the table. After finish, I give you prices separate one by one. If you see good price, take it. No good price, no, take it. Accept any money. Visa, Master, American Express, Egyptian Pound, dollar,